While the majority of the digital currencies concentrated on blockchain and DeFi, they concentrated on information capacity, dealing with, and exchange. There basically were not really any players in the cryptographic money market who turned their consideration regarding computerized promoting or video organizing that is picking up speed and the issues related therewith in a significant manner. Allow us to examine the ongoing subtleties of Theta and especially comprehend the Theta cost expectation for the future in a sort of enormous manner. However, numerous monetary standards have generally attacked the much sought-after digital currency market. The most discussed and high position truly is Theta in a sort of large manner. Prime supporter Steve Chen and his committed group of specialists, researchers, and calculation and blockchain specialists who rejuvenated this Theta crypto token upheld him. Theta is a symbolic that drives Theta's truly decentralized video conveyance organization, fueled by clients and an imaginative new blockchain. Theta basically is an open-source convention reason work to control the sort of decentralized streaming organization and takes into consideration vertical especially decentralized applications to generally be based on essentially top of the stage to truly empower esports, music, television, films, schooling, venture conferencing, shared streaming, and the sky is the limit from there, or so they generally thought. To lay out plainly in the expressions of the prime supporter of YouTube, Mr. Steve Chen, I am excited and happy to for the most part be a significant job player in the arising scene of video real-time, which basically is very huge, since innovation has fundamentally begun being the prevailing component in the especially decentralized shared network. Theta will outfit its greater part. With the remarkable development in the computerized publicizing area, it in a real sense is hugely critical that there is a balance for the most part accomplished among promoters, distributors, and end clients in a sort of significant manner, but the majority becoming kind of more and essentially more knowledgeable with informal communication and video devices related with. There fundamentally is a blossoming interest for promotion hindering programming that sudden spikes in demand for kind of an excessive 600 million cell phones and PCs. In view of our conjectures, a drawn-out increment in a real sense is normal in a significant manner. The cost visualization for 2026 is $20.56 in a sort of huge manner. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 535.55%, which for the most part is very huge, in light of a sensible calculation. Theta has momentary meetings and expected extremely long-haul benefits in an unobtrusive manner. The Theta cost may truly arrive at the objective of $5.72 toward the finish of 2022, which by and large is genuinely critical. Theta explicitly sounds profoundly bullish as it has shown a solid consistency. By 2022 end, the cost ought to effectively swing around $4.87, regardless of its reception. The Theta cost will more often than not face heat till 2022 in an unobtrusive manner, going by expectations that bulls might be back. Theta cost ought to wind up marginally higher, say by 2024 $28.21, best case scenario, or so they generally thought. Theta coin value forecast 2022 to 2026. At the hour of composing this Theta cost expectation, the ongoing cost of Theta generally is $3.29, and information demonstrates that the resource cost most certainly has been in an upswing for the especially beyond 1 year. The exchanging volume has been $251,885,653.35 with a market cap of $3,297,019,627.23 alongside a circling supply of 1 billion Theta, which really is genuinely huge. The cost estimate considers a few factors, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, comparable coins incredibly. Theta value expectation 2022. Heaping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that Theta especially is ready for a rise sign even in the really 1 year from now, 2022 in a significant way, following the moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it especially is exchanging inside the limits of an even triangle on the hourly diagram. The Theta coin could commonly run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting $4.63, or so they generally thought. Theta value forecast 2023. Going by the fresh insight about more limited and longer value patterns of crypto figure, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be so exceptionally perfect for Theta coin for heightening, particularly with rivals getting up to speed the intensity or the market reflecting monstrous unpredictability, which by and large is very critical. Be that as it may, toward the finish of 2023, Theta cost will contact $5.36. Long-haul cryptographic money gauge Theta value forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance on the lookout and that bulls will fundamentally ride the crypto market. It generally is by and by expected that Theta will manage the crypto coin realm with a presentation of cost fixed at $5.29, which shows Theta in a real sense has extremely maximum capacity going by the example to truly support as well as could reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances. Theta Value Expectation 2025. This year could stamp the benchmark year as the cost of the Theta coin is in a real sense anticipated to outperform a normal of $7.30 by all explicitly implies. This year, no essential elements like pandemic or downturn in a real sense are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies. It generally is normal that a large portion of the harm done would essentially be making a course for fix work in every world economy. And the crypto market, which is very critical. Theta Value Forecast 2026. It in a real sense isn't in every way that really matters. Not exactly extraordinary news. What started with costs of $2 sort of finished with an addition of $8 and presently exchanging around $3.29 in an all things considered, enormous way. Thus, it explicitly has in a real sense helped the market feeling peculiarity to fundamentally purchase and most certainly sell definitely, which is very huge. Merchants and financial backers have especially begun wagering on the drawn-out cost of Theta following this essentially token intently for a venture. Theta, Future Value Forecast 2026 and then some, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the present moment, which truly is very critical. With a touch of persistence in keeping the in a real sense trusts high on the sort of long haul, financial backers can sort of expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of Theta would in every way that really matters develop dramatically, by when Theta would be no genuinely more a credulous participant in the realm of digital forms of money, yet a carefully prepared player, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Is Theta a very wise speculation, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking? An expected level of effort explicitly is generally fitting, being a critical component here, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. There shouldn't exactly be any heartbreaks nor any misrepresented assumptions required on the off chance that you for the most part purchase, or by and large sell mindfully, facing a calculative challenge and in every practical sense, enormous way. Is Theta a trick or genuine? Which most certainly is genuinely huge, notwithstanding all discussions and debates. Theta uncovers an extremely solid and by and large dynamic biological system. Thus, it essentially is a genuine stage, where might I at any point essentially purchase Theta in a significant manner. At the present time, you can in a real sense purchase Theta at major crypto trades, including Binance, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. When you have certainly your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange Theta, you should move sort of your Bitcoin or ETH money from Coinbase to that really unambiguous trade, which especially is genuinely critical. This generally is done through a wallet framework. For what reason is Theta rising? Which most certainly is very huge. The credit for that goes to the confidence financial backers especially have rested in the resource in an unobtrusive way.